In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Docusign certificate in just 5 minutes. Whether you're completely new to Docusign or simply need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you're able to download your certificate without a hitch. First, let's get started by heading over to the Docusign website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.docusign.com. This is the official site for Docusign, widely recognized as the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. Once you're there, you're going to look for the login button, which should be located in a prominent spot on the home page. Now go ahead and click on that login button. This will take you to the login page where of course you'll need to enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. But assuming you have, enter your username and password and access your Docusign homepage. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Docusign homepage. It's a centralized hub where you can manage all your documents and agreements. From here, our next stop is the Agreements tab. Look through the navigation menu and you should easily spot it. Click on it to proceed. Moving on, you'll be directed to a new page where one of the options available is the inbox. Click on the inbox to explore all the agreements and envelopes that have been sent to you. The inbox is essentially your control center for managing your Docusign activities. Think of it like an email inbox, but specifically for your Docusign documents. Now, for us to find your Docusign certificate, we need to locate the completed envelope. The envelopes in Docusign hold all of your signed documents. They're stored in your account so you can easily access and manage them. Searching for a completed envelope ensures that these documents have gone through the entire signing process and are ready for download. Once you've found the completed envelope and you're sure it's the right one, all that's left to do is click on the download button. This will prompt your browser to start downloading the document to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you may need to designate a folder to save your file. Once the download is complete, you can open the document and view your Docusign certificate. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you have successfully navigated the Docusign interface and downloaded your certificate. This document serves as proof of your electronic transactions, so keep it safe. Remember, Docusign makes it easy to handle your documents digitally and securely, making processes quicker and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section.